Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. And as you saw in the thumbnail of the video, that can we possibly be getting a red day tomorrow? Now, why I'm saying that, what are the reasons that could give us a red day tomorrow, what that would entail all in the price action of Tesla, will that constitute more weakness to come or whatnot? Let's talk about all of that in this video. Now, before that, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So Tesla has been going, guys, up and up and up and up, unstoppable. It has just completely traumatized short sellers. I'll show you short selling data as well on Tesla. But this thing, the bullish play that we have been talking about on my channel, that we would be going into these massive moves as we were forming these inverted head and shoulder patterns, right? And breaking out of this channel was like a boom to the upside, right? That's what we were expecting, and we got those massive moves. Like, I'm so happy with my portfolio right now, and I'm taking some partial profits, right? That's always the plan, right? And technically right now, Tesla in the structure, guys, is full on bullish. Now, I also want to point you to this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. I have my Tesla ETF position in my public facing portfolio that I have been building from last 8 weeks. Check out all the information, the profit and loss, the positions that I'm building in this portfolio. All details are on this channel in the videos. If you are interested in following along in this journey of mine, please subscribe to this channel as well, all right? Link would be in the description below of this video for that channel. Now, so let's talk about the possibility of a red day tomorrow. Why am I saying that? So let's go to the hourly interval. All right. Now, the reason for that is, guys, we are seeing that little bit buying is exhausting here. And why so? Because yes, we are still in higher highs, okay? Still in higher highs. We haven't lost a pivot yet. We are still higher lows, so we are still technically structure is bullish. But the reason I'm saying a possible red day may be coming for also the reasons that as we have been making these moves of higher highs and higher lows, now we are still making higher highs and higher lows, but the separation between the two highs is getting lesser and lesser with each and every move, which also signifies that yes, buying is still there, structure is still holding, but buyers are getting tired now and they are taking profits. And today, as you can see, once we broke above this level again, so pretty much, okay, I provided you this level already yesterday, guys, that as long as we stay above 259 tomorrow, sorry, for the today, that's a zone of this thing just still be a bullish play, and we got that buy to the upside, and we broke again above the next significant level, that is 265. But now what is also happening is, what I'm seeing is that we failed to stay up there and we again came back lower. So now we do have some consolidation building at the intraday level as well. On the daily interval swing level, like, we are still bullish, guys, okay? But some weakness may come now. If tomorrow we lose 261 and 17 cents, there is a first move that may come to 50 hours moving average, and you have to watch if 50 hours moving average holds. But if we lose 50 hours moving average together with losing 259 and 45 cents, you can expect much more downside tomorrow on Tesla, and it's possible we might be slipping into $250 range, that is until $253 range, okay? So that's a possibility for tomorrow on Tesla. Just because the reason I'm saying for a day, a red day might be coming, again, I'll talk about the upside as well, but the reason that, you know, that red day may be coming is because this difference between the highs is just getting lesser and lesser with each and every leg, right? So, and that also, now we are not able to hold the next higher level, and we're a little bit slowing down. So a day can come red. So just keep that in mind, all right, going in tomorrow. Now, what is the bullish case? Well, pretty much if we get above 265 and 15 cents, we are just going up from here. That's one of the long plays, also continuation. And if we also hold, let's say if we break 261 but come down, let's say wherever 50 hours moving averages, and stay around 259, and we then get back above 261, you can expect some upside also on the intraday that may come. So yeah, but if we lose 259 and 45 cents with 50 hours moving average, everything, then you can expect we are coming down then to 252 and 69 cents, and accordingly you will have a stop loss and position, size and size out accordingly. But yes, I won't be surprised if tomorrow we have a red day. All right, so that's a possibility, and a little bit I would want to say a higher possibility, but again it all comes down to these levels as what I provided, just because the pivot's a little bit slowing down, and that's also the reason now we are breaking one level today to the downside. So that's one of the reasons as well. I want to show you the short volume percent, because yesterday, and I can't believe these short sellers are really piling up, guys. Look at it, 45%. It's 45, 46, 41, 42. Like anything on Tesla above 35 is quite high. We didn't have this high short volume percent back when Tesla was at the same price point. You can see we are at 38, 37 or something, right? So right now short sellers are really trying to pull it down. Now here's the thing. If we break the level to the upside 265, because structure is not downtrending right now, so technically, yeah, these short sellers will again end up covering their position. If we get above 265, that's going to add more buying momentum. So, but yeah, if we start to lose some levels to the downside, again, based off of the price action, right? Because I'm not, yes, this is still a quite high short volume percent in trust. So just keep that in mind. So once we start to lose some level, intraday weakness will start to come. But this is still far away from becoming bearish or collapsing, in my opinion. We have to see day by day as if it loses the levels. Otherwise, yeah, I would still want to give this, again, just because high short volume is coming doesn't mean that short sellers are going to get successful, because price action and the structure is still the first thing you have to give importance to, and then these variables play in the equation. So if price structure starts to become weaker and we start to lose structures, then the short volume, if it still comes higher, then we know. But yes, otherwise, as if we break levels to the upside, this is just going to end up making them covering their position and just another short squeeze. And if we continue lower, then this will add its impact and you can expect some weakness. So it all comes down to now levels, right? And the structure all in all. I would say that, guys, as long as Tesla maintains 246 to 252, as long as it can stay up here, consolidate, and that's it, let the 20 days moving average catch up. Guys, until then, this thing will still do zigzaggy. And even if it has to form a top here, let 20 days moving average will first have to catch up. You will see even after the pullback, some push-ups would be coming in. And so that's why stay with the structure overall, let the pullback happens. And accordingly, again, you can trade short or long, and however you want to do. I'm just sharing my opinion, what usually, how I trade, and most, yeah. And since the structure is still bullish or better, but still is that through the distribution phase, you can let the pullback happens, and when the structure starts holding at these significant levels with double bottom consolidations, higher pivots again, just play again back to the upside, right? Because structure is bullish, and so you should stay with the structure. All right. So that's Tesla, guys, for this video. And yeah, it's looking a little bit deeper red in the post market. But anyways, yeah, if you found this video helpful and valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Let's just talk about SPY and QQ real quick. I'll do another video on this, but guys, as I have been saying, we are bullish, and yeah, we are bullish. We are just continuing higher on SPY. QQ also bullish, no sign of slowing down, still bullish, and I'll talk more about it when I do tech stocks as well today. All right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys, and if you need access to my tools, links on the description below. All right, bye.